Michael, product manager at Rokform here. I'm going to walk you through installing the 12-volt to USB-C adapter. So in our last video, we installed the wireless motorcycle charging head onto the perch mount, and today we're going to install the 12-volt USB-C adapter. But to do that, we need to get to the battery. So on this bike, we're going to have to start by taking off the saddlebags and the seat. All right, so now we've gotten to the battery. So the next steps are to disconnect the terminals. So we're following the instructions from this one's a Harley, and we're disconnecting the negative first. Next, we will connect the wires from the 12-volt to USB-C adapter. So then we're going to reconnect the screws, going to go through the eyelet and reconnect it to the battery. Then we'll feed the wires back out through the side of the bike, or wherever will make the most sense, where it's accessible while you're riding. So now that we've installed the wire and connected it to the battery, we will connect the on-off switch using the SAE connector here. We can see it's getting a power draw, perfect. And then we'll take one end of this USB-C, plug it into the switch, and take the other end and plug it into the charging end. And then we'll connect our phone to the mount and confirm that everything is charging the way it should. So now that we've confirmed that it's working, we can take everything off and close everything back up. So that's how we install the 12-volt to USB-C adapter with control switch. Stop by the Rokform showroom in Irvine or rokform.com and get yours for your bike today.